Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to start the process of installing our floor kit. So we purchased our floor kit from Serg Supply. It's awesome because everything is CNC machined out. It comes with the subframe, the top layer, and then you have to pick what kind of flooring cover you want to whatever your preference, wood, tile, whatever you want. But today we're going to talk about and actually go through the steps of installing this floor kit from Serg Supply. One of the recommendations that they had over there is to get an automatic caulking gun to save our forearms. So we took their advice, that's what we did. So we went out and bought this M12 battery operated Milwaukee automatic caulking gun, and so we don't have to make our forearms feel like jello, because the adhesive that this kit comes with is pretty thick, pretty strong, I guess. So this is going to save us. It's a little bit pricey, but I want to pay for convenience, and so I think we picked this up. We already have some Milwaukee tools, so we didn't have to buy any batteries, and I think we picked it up for like 149 bucks at Home Depot, something like that. So we'll see how this works. Never used one before, but this should save us some time. So that's what we are doing. Bang. So the next thing is we have to clean the floor off, and then sand down some of the ridges on here so we can apply the adhesive with our caulking gun, and then start laying down the subframe. And so that's what we're going to do. Okay, so I am super excited about this because we're finally opening up our Serg Supply floor kit. Okay, so as you can see, the floor kit comes in a really nice pallet. They actually took some of their scrap material and they actually built framing around this so it doesn't get damaged in shipping, which is really nice. So this is nice to see, like, companies actually taking care of the products for their customers, so when they get to them they're not damaged. So this is awesome. So we just got to take all this stuff out and then start taking piece by piece, and then go from there. Okay, so we got part of the floor here, the subframe. So what we're gonna do right now is we're just going to start laying this in the floor first before we really tack it down, just to see how the layout goes. So that's what we're gonna do next. So let's see, looks like we have to, this piece goes around the wheel well. Ooh, it looks, all right, so we have a plastic moldy piece here that we haven't took off yet, so it looks like we gotta take that off first. So let's grab some tools and go ahead and do that. Oh, okay, there we go, got it. Look at that, ducktail together. Oh man, this is so nice. Floor comes right over. Oh man, this stuff fits like perfect. This is so awesome. I'm so excited that we ended up going with this floor kit from Serg. Makes life a lot easier. back piece in. And again, like I said, we are just placing these in here right now. We still have to sand down the ridges and apply our adhesiveness. I just want to put the subframe in first so I can get a better idea of how to do it, make sure it's done right. But so far, this is like adult Legos. This is amazing. Okay, here we go. We've got the not the final piece, but the end piece here that goes right behind the front seats. Ooh, I'm looking at just like that. We have part of the subfloor.